Hey guys, it's your girl Denise Brown Stylist. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button, like and leave a positive comment. Today, I'm going to give you 8 tips of how to be a fashion stylist. Now, I get so many people asking me, Denise, how do you become a stylist? So I'm just going to give you 8 simple tips and I want you guys to stay tuned and listen. Number 1, you can apply for college or university and study fashion styling. Now there's variety of colleges that do it. There's London College of Fashion, there's Condé Nast, there's London College of Style, there's London School of Style, or I offer Introduction to Styling workshops. So check out my information. I teach people the basics and fundamental of how to be a stylist. If you click on the description button, you can see how you can have access to this information. Number 2, assist a stylist. I remember when I did work experience for fashion stylists and I had to start from the bottom. See, I was this ghetto girl and she was this bougie lady, and at times we were clashed because we had different personalities. But it was so important for me and been the biggest part of my life of how I became a stylist. I learned how to be humble. I learned how to be calm. You know, what you do, you iron clothes, you hang up the clothes, you assist her, you make tea. It's so important because I learned so much more things than I can ever learn if I ever studied. So always assist a stylist. Number 3, do an internship for a magazine. I've also worked with a magazine. I did an internship. It was incredible. I was a fashion coordinator and I learned how to call up fashion PRs, modeling agencies, call in clothes, wait for the clothing. Also, when you assist a stylist, the editor, you do the clothing credit. It is so important to do an internship with a magazine. That's how I became a fashion editor for RWD, Touch and Flavor magazine. So do an internship also for a magazine. You know, there's so many magazines out here. You can do from high fashion to streetwear to main fashion. So just know what your target audience is and just go for it and do an internship. Number 4, create a fashion blog. It is so important to create a fashion blog just to showcase your skills. Whether you want to be dressing yourself, you know, in the latest trends, or when you're going out, or even if you want to dress people, having a fashion blog is very important because it shows that you're really passionate and you love fashion and you also have your opinion when you write about it. So it's very important to have a fashion blog when you're starting. Number 5, research the latest trends. You can find all this information online. You can look at blogs. You can look at vogue.co.uk to see what's in trend. You can also look at high street magazines online as well. You can buy magazines. It's very important to know what's in trend, and then based on that you can also create style pages of what's in trend and put it on your blog or even on your CV to showcase that this is what you do and your passion. So it's really important that as a stylist and an up-and-coming stylist that you know what's in trend, just in case you get an interview. If you apply for like an assistant styling job and you're like I don't know, it's not a good look. So always make sure you know what is in trend. Number 6, do test shoots. I always say test shoots is so important. So test shoots is just collaborating with photographers, hair, makeup, and getting models and just putting together a concept and idea and just making it come to life. So, you know, for example, you might say, I want to do a floral print shoot. That's what's in this season. Then the photographer find the location and then, you know, you guys will get the models. Then you can, you know, you go and get the clothes, whether you're speaking to new designers or even buy the clothes, and then just dress the models and then you can see it come to life. So test shoots is very important because if you want to break into the industry, you can show, you know, the magazines that you want to work for or even the stylist that, look, I'm about this and I really want this. Network, network, network. How I got into the industry, I was bringing back some clothes to a boutique in Farringdon. I started to speak to the owner. From then on, she knew the stylist of Touch magazine, and then from then on, that's how I got to assist her. London Fashion Week is the network city. Now, I love London Fashion Week and Men's Fashion Week because everybody is happy. Everybody's going down there. And a lot of the times, there's a lot of photographers who just want to take pictures, but they're not invited in the show. Now, if you are shy and your personality, you know, you're a bit quiet, I will say to you, buy a camera or rent a camera and pretend you are a photographer. They're never going to know. What you do is just create some cards, and even if it's your Instagram page, and then you start taking pictures of people, and then you can say, excuse me, what do you do? That is such an easy way of how to network. What's the word? What is it? What do you do? That's the best thing that you can start a conversation with. And once you take the pictures, you find out what they do, and then from then on, you give your card, you take their details, and you catch up. Do not be like me. I am the non-follow-up queen. There's times when I get like 20 business cards, and then when I have to email them, it is a problem. And it's only really because, you know, it's because of insecurities, because of my dyslexia, and I think, oh, what if I'm going to write something, you know, going to make sense? But now it's like, hey, Denise B, don't give a so yeah, so what you need to do is network. It's very important. If you have a job in retail, do not be upset. It is the key to be a stylist. You learn about customers, you learn about, you know, what their figure shapes are, you learn about what clothes they like, what fits them, you learn about fabrics, you learn how to deal with people. As I said in my other video, the art of customer service is so important to learn about people, because if you're a personal shopper, this is who you got to deal with, people. When you deal with models, they are people. Celebrities are people. So it's really important to learn about the art of customer service. So guys, I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I want to be seeing you and I want to be sharing my videos, and also share this. All right, have a good day, night, whatever time it is. It's your girl DB. It's your girl DB.